Set fire to your hair.
Broke a stick at a grizzly bear.
Eat medicine that's out of date. Use a private bus as Piranha Bay.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Get your dust out with a fork. Do your own electrical war. Teach yourself how to fly.
Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Invited psycho killer inside. Scratch your jack, steal a brand new ride. Take your helmet off in outer space. Use your clothes, dry your eyes, a hiding place.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Keep a rider's neck as a pet. Till that world you can make on the internet. Eat a tube of super glue. I wonder what it will but do.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Dress up like a moose during hunting season. Disturb a nest of wasps for no good reason.
Stand at the edge of a train station platform.
Drive around the boom, get a level crossing. Run across the sidewalk.